Hi, in this video I will show you how to change DNS on the Android. By changing the DNS on the Android, you can fast up your internet on the Android device. So how you can do it? Remember that DNS on the Android will only work for the Wi-Fi. This data internet will not support this feature. So first of all, you have to go to the settings on your phone, and you have to click on the network and the internet, and you have to click on the Wi-Fi from here and select your Wi-Fi connection with whom you are connected, and you will also see a pen icon on the right top. Simply tap on it, and now you have to click on the advanced option, scroll up, and you have to search for the IP settings. Right now it's with DHCP. You have to make it static, and you will see multiple options are open. Go to the DNS1 and write 1.1.1. you can use other DNS services. So this is just for you, for an example. So I write 10.0.1, and you have to enter the IP address and these information also, and click on the save. So once you will click on the save, your DNS will be changed on the Android. But if you are not on your Wi-Fi connection, you have to go to the Play Store, and you have to search for the DNS changer and install this application from here. Once you will click on the install, it will start downloading it to your phone. So by using your mobile data, you can simply change your DNS through this application. So hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.